Today we will learn how we hide our followers and following on Instagram. First of all, we will open our Instagram. Then we will click on our profile. Then we click on the three horizontal lines that are showing at the top right corner. After clicking on them, we will scroll down a little and the option of account privacy is appear. We click on account privacy and we will see the option of private account. If we turn it on, then neither your following show nor your followers show to any other person. If you have learned something from this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and if you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.